And YouTube, Facebook, whatever. Come buckle me. It ain't cold.
Yeah, 3 mosquito bites on my
No, you
hand.
don't. Making that up. There ain't no mosquitoes down here. Yeah, go back to bed like you normally do. So yeah, we're trying to get out of here. And we're over to Lodi and park. Could have just sat here and did a reset and still made it, but I don't feel like it. I don't feel like
You have 7 hours and 38 minutes of remaining drive time.
I'm trying to set up my phone here, and we'll get out of here shortly. Buckle up for safety. So yeah, I think I got a way I'm gonna do these, because when I did 3 videos in one, it was more popular than just doing 1 or 2 put together. So now I'm just trying to get the truck set up, because I use music off of either Google Play or YouTube, and my stereo wants to be nice here. So I run my Bluetooth through my dash of my truck, and then that's how I get the music. And then you still get the sound effects of the truck. So anyways, we're getting out of here. Enjoy today. It's going to be short. I'll make it as long as I can. So alright. See you soon. Getting out of it.
But I said it first, so in a sense, I take these niggas first. That's when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Whoa, whoa, only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hit the road when you're missing home. You only know you love her when you let her go. But you let her go. Look, see, I remember when I met you as a sophomore. Started out as friends, but I knew that we would want more. Hit your favorite restaurant with your favorite dress on. That's one of my favorite memories that I've kept on the road with me. I know it's crazy how things change so quick. Went from rock bottom to honest fame and shit. But look, I couldn't love you, but I wished I could. Cause I got hurt and closed you off and you understood. But look, yeah, that's just blood on the leaves. The champagne tastes worse when it wasn't for free. That's why these thirsty bitches didn't come here with me. Move along, girl, there's nothing to see. And what a blessing every second is. Missed calls and messages. I miss the nights when you would call, just checking in. The girl I love, I ain't seen her in months. It's just the cost of being up in the front. And yeah, we used to say this world was ours together. Yeah, the pain fades away, but the scars forever. And fate hurts, but remember the hope. Cause things change, but the memories don't. You only need the light when it's running low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Whoa, whoa, only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hit the road when you're missing home. You only know you love her when you let her go. But you let her go. My bitches, my bitches. My bitches, my bitches. My bitches, my bitches. My bitches, my bitches. When I'm out here on the road, it's just me and my bitches. Shit is all I know, just me and my bitches. Girl, trust me, this is how it's gotta be. When I close my eyes, you're the one that I see. Cause you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Whoa, whoa, only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hit the road when you're missing home. You only know you love her when you let her go. But you let her go.
nights and those dreams. But my friend, I'd sacrifice all those nights if I could make the earth and my dreams the same. The only difference is to let love replace all I hate. So let's go there, let's make our escape. Come on, let's go there. Let's ask, can we stay? Can you take me higher to a place where line might see? Can you take me higher to a place with golden streams? So let's go there, yeah, let's go there. Come on, let's go there. Let's ask, can we stay? Set up high, I'm strong enough to take these dreams and make them mine. Can you take me higher to a place where line might see? Can you take me higher to a place with golden streams? Can you take me higher to a place where blind men see? Can you take me higher to a place with golden streams?
Well, we're in Lodi. Somebody finally decided to wake up and I'm trying to listen to Zello and watch her YouTube. We got BTV on. I'm gonna get your video edited here after a bit. And yeah. Anyways, we're in Lodi. So we got 9 hours to play tomorrow, 10 hours. That's how you work your e-log. That's how you work your e-log. Just manage your time, plan ahead, and hopefully tomorrow we'll get this load off. We'll get our new load, and we'll get up to like Corning. Go a little slower before we get off the that way I get rear running tight shit. But anyways, I am gonna do this video like I did the one a couple days ago that had almost 50 views in a short time. I'm gonna do it 3-way again. And sorry about the music. I picked the music yesterday and I didn't really hear some of the language in it, but I'm gonna go with it anyway. So I'll put a PG-13 rated on this, that way you know. That's just a warning. So. Alright, that's why you got PG-13 at the beginning. We're gonna call it a day. I know it's only like 8 o'clock in the morning, we're already calling it a day. Anyways, y'all have a safe day. Give us space. God bless you. Thanks for watching. And she's watching our YouTube again. So this is the end of the day. Can you at least wave bye-bye? Yeah, there you go. I think she's tired of being and bored being around me. So, yeah, we're gonna go. Hey, look who's on TV. Lampet. Ow!